Folks, today we're going to find out no power problem with K920. The first thing to do is there are 3 screws on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. We'll take them out. Then the outside first piece, big piece, silver one, around, we'll take that out. And there's this piece needs to be taken out this way, okay, upward. And there's this piece up here. We're going to do this piece first, okay? Easiest one. You can see there are these catchers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 of them. And there are these dips, right? So you take a small screwdriver, come in this way, and push this a little bit to free them. Okay, this part is not hard. There are 5 of them, right? So take your time, get them off. Next piece, we said it has to go up. And here's why. See these pieces? That means this will go up, right? This to this direction, okay? Then, but these are hooks that will catch it. So these hooks go in the bottom here somewhere, okay? Right here somewhere. And this is how you do it. See these 2 holes here? Okay, you take a small screwdriver, screw in there, okay? And try to push down. You can free the rings, okay? There are 2 of these, 1 and 1 is here. 2 of these, you just push them down. So just remember, this piece comes out up, okay? Then this one has many of these hooks, many of them, okay? Many of them. I don't know how to best take them out. I don't know the order, so just be careful. Some will break, some won't. After all this is apart, please come watch this video. This person has the best video on how to reset the thermostat. Then your unit should be good. Thank you. Good luck.